Today, we're diving into a game-changing secret that will not only improve your social skills, but also make you more likable in any situation. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss this. Active listening. The secret sauce to being likable is mastering the art of active listening. People love to feel heard and understood. So, put away your distractions, focus on the person speaking, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Empathy. Empathy is key. Put yourself in others' shoes. Try to understand their perspective and respond with compassion. It creates a connection that goes beyond words and makes people feel valued. Positive body language. Your body language speaks louder than words. Maintain eye contact, smile genuinely, and use open and inviting gestures. Positive body language can instantly make you more approachable and likable. Compliments and encouragement. Everyone loves a genuine compliment. Whether it's about their achievements, appearance, or personality, a well-timed compliment can brighten someone's day. Don't forget to offer words of encouragement. It goes a long way. Be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. Be yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and don't try to be someone you're not. People appreciate honesty, and being genuine will make you more relatable and likable. Remember, it's all about active listening, empathy, positive body language, compliments, and being authentic. Try incorporating these into your daily interactions, and you'll notice a positive change in how people respond to you.